So good morning guys. Like I was thinking about doing this presentation for at least 50 more people, but here we are with kind of like the most loyal community members we are having. I think it's a kind of a good day. Weather is good. Bitcoin is reaching a new all-time high, so we can all be rich again. So what are we actually doing and what are we building? So with Crowny, we are building an app-powered loyalty platform. Oh, shit. So with Crowny, we're building an app-powered loyalty platform, to simply put it. What we are mainly doing there is trying to abstract as much as possible while onboarding brands from Web2 into Web3. We do this by mainly focusing on the whole loyalty vertical and onboarding those businesses through different e-commerce plugins. The first one we are starting with is Shopify. Later on, the users which we will be onboarding, they get rewarded in both native blockchain-based points, tokens on different chains, and also our native Crowny. So to continue from that aspect, we can really see that there are a lot of problems occurring within the loyalty industry. I think Ilya was just talking about like e-commerce is one of the big things with the new intent-based messaging, what they are focusing on as near. Personally, one of the things I really dislike is whenever I'm in a coffee store or whenever I shop online, that I have to download a different application, that I get bombarded by different emails from all these different brands, and nothing is just in one interface. It's all put together. So we have a very simple solution, and our solution is Crowny, just an app-powered Web3 loyalty platform where everything in our application is abstracted. So once you're downloading it, once you're joining a program, you won't even notice that you're actually on the blockchain. The cool part here is we not only have an application, because from the other side, businesses need to be able to create content to reach out to their community. So think of building certain AI narratives with Near. On the other side, we have the direct connection with e-commerce companies through our e-commerce plugin. So what we are doing is just onboarding businesses from Web2 into Web3 with having a B2B2C solution for the end users. So as an end user, you don't even realize you're on chain. As a business, everything is abstracted, so you then get the crypto talks or that companies might be scared about joining you. So why is it so relevant right now? It mainly becomes relevant because money talks, right? We can all see that bigger corporations are trying to enter Web3 because it's kind of sexy, it becomes more and more interesting. And there are some brands behind me. I think some of you know BMW, L'Oreal, Nike, Starbucks, which shut down their program. Kind of funny enough, it would have never worked on Polygon anyway, so. To start it with a video about a demo of our platform, and I'm just gonna stand like this so it's easier for everyone to see. This is where you as a business easily set up your loyalty program. You pick your card color, and after picking your card color, you continue. You completely set your automated rewards. Again, you don't even see that anything is crypto related. Then we continue, and now you're in the platform. So you want to create your earning rules, either per order, on sign up, or based on like a standardized spending. So you create those rules. By creating the rules, you set a specific reward for engaging with content. But now as a user, you want to spend it, or you need a promotion. So this is where you create a promotion. All these promotions are directly tied into your Shopify store, so you can just copy paste it, scrape the data, and it's as simply as it can get. So you have your discount amount, but once you're there, the next step is how do you get your users in the platform? Because creating it, that's not that hard. Now you need to get your users in there. So you can either do it by creating brandable QR codes where you can automatically send an email after someone purchased something in your store and you let them join the program, or you can do it via an offline environment through events. So this is how it would look like on the application side to drive more recurring sales. It's very easy. you're able to just join a program, you scan the invitation, and there you go. You have a certain amount of points. After receiving the points, you're now able to do more with your community. You can now purchase either a coupon, a voucher in this example, or you can use the discount code you just received to claim a product, for example. So let's get back to the website. And this is where, or to your email, this is where you can see the head. Seeing the head, you just copy the code, it's included. You haven't even noticed that blockchain was being used in the backend of it. Everything here built on the Solana compressed NFT standard, and from there on, building new features with Near together. So this is our loyalty and rewards flow. You begin your journey, you earn as you shop. By earning as you shop, you interact to earn. By interacting, eventually unlock more exclusive deals to shop and save again. But we have another company, which is called TokenBridge, which was just briefly introduced by David. So we have Crowny and TokenBridge. TokenBridge got funded by Near in the beginning of the year. And the interesting part is that we accumulate for over 95% of all volume between Solana and Near, which is going on. So what you can see in the graph is we launched it in July, and ever since July, it has been increasing to get more inflow on Near's chain. Why is this so interesting? Because we are just getting started as a company. And with that I mean that there are more networks coming to Near. And native stable swapping is one of the examples we are continuing to do. So currently it's wrapped assets. One of the next versions is getting like those native stables across to really make the DeFi ecosystem or the meme coins you can now purchase on Near more attractive to the Solana users, or the other way around. Just depends on what the end user wants, right? Another thing is more networks are coming. And with more networks, I personally like Sui, so we might get Sui, right? And that's not to top it off with. We also have more wallets and more DApps, which we are directly integrating with. And this is just purely on the TokenBridge side. Since TokenBridge intertwines directly with Crowny, there are so many verticals we can focus on, which I would say the most important and prominent one is bringing on-chain loyalty to Near. And that to me is the way how you bridge the gap from Web2 towards Web3 by providing those blockchain-based rewards to them as a company. Currently it's on Solana. It's coming to Near, but it just doesn't stop at that as a layer one. There are two more verticals we are focusing on. So loyalty is the first step. From loyalty, you can also create like extended streams for offline rewards, for example. So let's say this wall event, you would be able to get rewards to just scan a QR code, to interact with people here and earn. Everything we are doing is from a point of view where you as a business are not paying your users only in crypto to say like, you need to join us and you get something back for it. No, it's actually users which want to participate in your program already because they are your loyal community members and they will make sure that you're able to thrive even further. That's it. Thank you, guys.